Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the All Computer Classes. Unit 3 and Chapter 9 we are studying, that is Microsoft Word 2010. This is second part of the Chapter 9 and today's topic is paragraph formatting. In the paragraph formatting we will be covering margins, text alignment, indents and tabs, leader lines and line spacing. So in this particular video we will be covering margins and text alignment, and in the next video I'll be covering indent, tabs, leader lines and line spacing. Okay, so let's begin it. So the paragraph formatting, as you know that MS Word mostly works with text, and the paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of a document, right? So for formatting a paragraph we should know how to set the margins of the pages. So the first topic is margins. The distance between the written text and the edges of the paper is called margins, right? So as you can see at the top we have left some space, right side also and left side also, and in bottom also we have left some space. So the space that we leave all around the page is called margins, and this margin is defined by these lines. You can see this is the left margin, this is the top margin, you can see this is the right margin. Okay, so the edges of the paper and the text, right? So this area is called margins, right? So margins are important elements of a document as they set the boundaries of a page. We leave the boundaries, right? So we have top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. So we can increase or decrease these margins, like I can increase or decrease from these rulers, right? So in the same way from here also I can increase or decrease, right? So this is the way we can easily increase or decrease the page margins, right? The next topic is text alignment, right? After leaving the margins on the four side of the paper, we are left with a space inside these margins or between the margins, right? So we need to align the text in that area, right? It refers to the positioning of text between margins of a page. So aligning text, we have two ways. One is horizontal and second is vertical, right? Okay, so horizontal alignment is aligning the text between the left and the right margin, right? So the options are available in the paragraph group of the home tab, right? So as you can see, this is left alignment, this is center, this is right alignment and this is justified, right? So to apply this horizontal alignment we need to select the text and then we just directly click these buttons from the group, right? So let's see how this works. Let's say this is a paragraph with me and I select this paragraph. By default it is left aligned, right? So if I want to align it at the center, I'll click this button. So this is how the text will look, right? I'll select it again and I'll align. Now you see this space is covered and this space is left on the left side, right? So it is aligned on the right side. If I click justified, this is how this text will look, right? So you see it has justified, means this text is evenly distributed between left and the right margin, right? So we have align the text left, this is default. Align text right means mostly used for putting up the dates on the letterheads. Center, it is used for giving the titles, and justified align evenly the text between the left and the right margin. You just saw that, right? So now the second part is vertical alignment. Vertical text alignment, it aligns the text with respect to the top and the bottom margin of a page, right? This option is not directly visible here in the paragraph group, right? For getting this vertical alignment option, we need to go to the page layout tab and then we need to go to the page setup group, right? So let's go to the page layout. I just clicked here. This is our page setup group. Now I'll click here, dialog box launcher. Now if you can see, we have layout option. In the layout option we have this top alignment and bottom alignment. So if the text is aligned right, so from here we can select the text and give this top, center, justified and bottom alignment to the text, right? So let's see how this works. For example, I select this text and I'll click on the dialog box launcher. Now I align it to the bottom, right, and click OK. So the text is aligned to the bottom and it has left a lot of space on the top, right? Now I'll select it again and click here, layout, and I'll click top. Now you see it has left a lot of space at the bottom and it has aligned the text with the respect to the top margin. So you see this is top margin and the text is aligned with the respect to the this top margin. So this is how our text alignment and margin works. Okay, so that's all about margins and text alignment. I hope you have understood, as they were very easy topics. And the rest 3 parts of the paragraph formatting, that is indents and tabs, line spacing and leader lines, that I'll be covering in the next video. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep practicing. God bless you all.